Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are playing Dragon City. So welcome back to the second episode, and yeah, get into it. Got these coins and stuff. What the heck kind of dragon is that? I don't want to know either. Finally, I got them back. They can finally come fight with me. He's my blue dragon, but he's not. Oh, he's old enough. Coco is old enough. Forgot, yes. I upgraded him in the last video. I don't know if I used him, but I remember I upgraded him. The level 4, now he can fight. About to fight against him. He freaking beats my butt. Lava ball. I'm not gonna kill him all the way. Yeah, I'll never kill him. He gets like 1,000 shots on me. You're going down. Punch. Just one punch. I have to surrender soon because I don't have to fight him again. Flaming hard charge, actually. Minus 700. Please don't do 1,000. Please don't do 1,000. He's only. I'm gonna make my team again. Fix my team up. So I want Mud. I want Coco, my mud dragon. I want Ben and Splashy. See if they can get in. Please do it. Please do it. I think that was my video just uploaded. So if you just heard that sound, it was my video. I tried not to laugh video. It's a prank. I don't want to spoil it, but it was a prank on my baby sister's house. It hurt me. She kept laughing in the stomach. It still hurts. Let me use flying kick. Flying kick. It's gonna be like 1,000, isn't it? 600. One flying kick in the face. Lochi's gonna kill him, and one of my dragons, I'm gonna end up winning. Yay! Depends how many dragons he has.
Earthquake.
Dun dun dun. Take 1,000 like this other. Yes! One hit. Lose. I lose. Cause lose. I lose because of lose. I think the lower your health is, the less damage you do. Yeah, the more health you lose, the more damage, the less damage you do. Tsunami used to do that. It's get worse. I won! I finally won! I finally won! I finally won! I finally won! Oh my god! Best day ever! Finally won him! I beat him! Finally! I don't want to say I don't want to do this. Oh my! F4! F4! I don't want to cancel. Go back! Go back! Go back! Okay, yeah, bye. Thank you, bye. Oh, he's so cute! What would you like to name your waterfall dragon, your new waterfall dragon? Place him. Yeah. Why didn't he go to the water? New habitat, I guess, is coming in. Store. How do you go to the store? I need the store. I need the store. Shop. Not store, shop. Whatever. Habitats. Can you? He must be able to go in there because he's a waterfall. Yeah, he must be able to go in here. He has to. Is that build? Yeah, I got a waterfall dragon. What the heck is that? What the heck is a waterfall dragon? Hatch. Bam! What? Got me. The waterfall dragon, waterfall dragon, waterfall dragon, yeah. Let's upgrade him. I mean, let's feed him. How much does it take to feed him? So 2 and now it takes 10. I can only feed you 2 times with 10, so. So, I love him. He's cute. He's so cute. He's so cute. It takes 30 minutes to freaking do that. I can't do that. I can't put 30 minutes in the video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a shout out by hitting that like button and subscribing. Bye.